Myself Amit Singh Raghav from Jiwan Jyothi industry. We are based at Hyderabad. 25 years back we started this fabrication unit, and recently we have done automation. Recently we got laser cutting, SIL laser cutting 2 kilowatt, and this is our latest addition to our asset machineries. This is Accurpress, one of the very good machines in Indian market. Like we can say, like one of the best in Indian market. So that's the reason we thought of procuring this machine. We almost took a time of 1.5 years in deciding about the features of this machine compared to Indian machine, like be it Hindustan hydraulics, Rajesh machine tools and all these things. But finally we approved this one. There are many things, like because of the back gauge is very systematic, it's pretty precise, accurate, and the ram movement is also very fast, throat depth is also very good. And service point of view also, service engineer is also based at Hyderabad, so that's like one of the plus point. Immediately we can get any issue resolved if at all if it comes. Most of like it's in the warranty only. Till now we have not faced any of the issues with the machine, and hopefully will not face in future also. That's the reason we have procured this machine. This even controller is also very good, automatic controller. It gives us a freedom. It gives us a freedom to it automatically select the bending sequence, so it helps us a lot in selecting what's the best way of bending the things. Our times get saved. We are also very happy in running this machine.